This is anterior communicator artery. Anterior communicator artery is supplied by short signal vessel connect the right and left anterior cerebral artery. This is a two pairs of anterior cerebral artery. These four branches are anterior and anteromedial cerebral artery. Then this is the internal carotid artery. The two pairs of internal carotid artery, major vessel brings blood into the brain and gives rise to anterior carotid artery and middle cerebral artery branches. That is the middle cerebral artery branch. Then downwards, this is the posterior communicating arteries, two pairs, and it connects to the posterior cerebral artery, two pairs of posterior cerebral artery. Posterior cerebral artery supply to occipital lobes and inframedullary temporal lobe. Then it is this is a basilar artery. Basilar artery formed by two vertebral arteries supplied to the brainstem and cerebellum before terminating of posterior carotid artery. This is a superior cerebral artery. This is the anterior inferior cerebral artery. This is a supply for the cerebellum and pons and medulla. The basilar artery is supplied. Small arteries have the Fontaine's artery. There is two major vertebrae, two pairs of vertebrae. Vertebrate artery connect with these 2 points. Then this is a posterior inferior cerebral artery. It is also supplied by the cerebellum. This posterior inferior cerebral artery, antero inferior cerebral artery, and the superior cerebral artery supplied by cerebellum. Then this is an anterior spinal artery and posterior spinal artery. There is a supply by the vertebral column, and the main supply is posterior spinal cord. This is two vertebral arteries supplied by the left side vertebral artery and right side vertebral artery. This is a two vertebral artery, left and right. This is anatomy of the vertebral artery. Vertebral artery origin from the subclavian artery. The subclavian artery and original. This is a left vertebral artery supplied by this. This is the right vertebral artery connect with right side of vertebral artery. There's a connect and making a basilar artery. The two arteries, vertebral arteries, and connect and basilar artery.